Well, we love to be entitled with the crown that possesses the pearls of patriotism, unity, and sacrification. Our destiny is to serve our country till last breath. And yes, we are Nepalese. And we're blessed for having a land of our own, which has always been independent throughout the world. Hi guys, this is Ria and you're warmly welcome to our channel. Today I'm extremely delighted to speak about my country, and in this video we're gonna talk about how is Nepal and what makes people must visit to this country. So let's get started. Before switching into the topic, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel and push on the notification bell icon to keep up with all of our updates. Since Nepal is a sandwiched country between two domineering giants and land masses, namely India and China, but yet still manages to retain its typical culture and magnificent morals that is distinctly its own. What if a small country gets crowded with numbers of ethnic groups, religions, castes, and creeds? Definitely a high chance of chaos and conflicts, right? But believe me, about 80 ethnic groups speaking 123 languages, 125 castes, and almost all of the religions, Nepal has never faced any riots and chaos on the lines of religion or ethnicity. Quite surprising, right? Well, it is a birthplace of Lord Gautam Buddha, so the root of violence is very rare to find in the blood of Nepalese. Okay, if you are in Nepal, you shall have definitely witnessed the living goddess. The living goddess is worshipped in Nepal, and that is Kumari. That means virgin. There is a belief or myth that the prepubescent young girls are earthly manifestation of female divine energy or the incarnation of goddess Taleju. These young girls are said to be lived in temples and worshipped and even driven in chariots during festivals. However, the goddess retired on puberty or in any accidental case. Well, coming to the nature, Nepal is known to be Amazon of Asia, as it shelters over thousands of species of flora and fauna. About 8% of world's birds population is sheltered over this tiny country, and it is the home of many rare and endangered animals too, like Asia's one-horned rhinoceros, Royal Bengal tiger, gharial, crocodile, pangolins, and many more, and these are protected in Chitwan National Park, where Chitwan is the heart of jungle of Nepal. As we all know that the highs of visiting Nepal include the majestic towering peak of Mount Everest, which finally kisses the sky at 8,848.86 meters, but surprisingly 8 out of 10 world's highest mountains are found within this relatively small 1,47,516 kilometers squared Nepal. I found it pretty cool. How about you? Comment below. Okay, are you interested for adventures? Whether it be mountaineering, high altitude marathons, mountain biking, bungee jumping, paragliding, water rafting, kayaking, trekking, fishing, hiking. Well, Nepal is one of the master place for this all. So why waste your time? Pack up your bags, feed your enthusiasm to take up these life experiences. When it comes to the bravery, Nepalese Gorkha soldiers come in the front line in the world, who displayed an exemplary gallantry for their country with the motto, "Death is far more gratifying than cowardice." One of their opponent mentioned, "I never saw more steadiness or bravery exhibited in my life. Run they would not, and of death they seemed to have no fear." Also, an Indian military officer, Sam Manekshaw, spoke, "If anyone says he's not afraid of death, either he's lying or he's a Gorkha." Since 1911, members of Gorkha Regiment have won 13 Victoria Cross medals for exceptional bravery. What could be the great thing than this for a Nepali to be proud of? Really appreciable. Moreover, Nepal was once also called wheat capital. Yes, it did, as it has used psychoactive cannabis for centuries, and as early as 1700s, Nepalese charas was recognized as best available. So hippie trial began to root young Western adventurers through Nepal. However, weed has been considered as Section A drug in the country since 1965, but you can still find it growing almost everywhere in the country, and you do get best quality of feed in this place. Now let us come to the mysterious thing of Nepal. Have you ever heard about Yeti? It is a creature and is believed to be spotted in mountains of Nepal. This is the footprint found by Michael Ward at Menlong Glacier. In Western culture, this creature is commonly called abominable snowman, which means horrible in looks. Well, there are a lot more to know about this prettiest country, which are just impossible to boundary by this video. If you visit Nepal, you are sure to have your camera glued to your hands all the time, capturing the pristine and iconic scenarios that do wonder your soul. Thank you very much for watching this video till last. Stay safe and good luck.